welcome back to the X8R channel. My name's Georgina and I'm the Product Development Manager here at X8R. Today I'm here to talk to you about our latest product, the Jaguar XF Air Vent Stepper Cog. This cog connects the air vent to the motor and controls the air vents when to open and close upon turning on and off the vehicle. The cog's design has a number of faults which causes it to fail. The window where the vent motor connects is far too large and weakens the structural integrity of the cog. The stopper is also much too thin and can break easily. This is the most common fault. The entire cog is also made of nylon, which is a weak material. At X8R, we have designed a brand new cog which addresses all of the original design faults by Jaguar. The cog is made from carbon fibre reinforced plastic. The stopper is thicker, as shown here, and the area that locates the mechanism has been reduced to a 3.5mm circle. The X8R cog also utilises locating fins. The X8R cog is far stronger than the OEM. This part is compatible with all Jaguar XFs between 2008 and 2015. This part is now available to purchase on our website via the link in the description. We also sell on eBay and our Amazon stores. We are demonstrating this installation on the driver's side air vent. This entire process is identical with all vents, but different trim panels will need to be removed. There are a variety of videos on YouTube to demonstrate the trim removals for the other vents. Firstly, pull the rubber door seal away from the door frame. Only remove the section that is next to the air vent. Use a trim removal tool to remove the trim on the side of the dash. Do so gently. Use a trim removal tool to pry the front fascia of the air vent. Use a pick or a very small flathead screwdriver to pry off the cover at the top of the speed surround. Use a T20 to remove the screw behind it. Pull away the trim that surrounds the speed dials, the steering wheel and the indicator stalks. Remove the two screws behind this piece of trim using a T20. Also remove the other screws on the front and side of the air vent. Pull the air vent away from the dashboard. Remove the inner fascia. Unplug the electrical connector. Unscrew the three T20 screws that hold the motor in place. Remove the motor to expose the original cog. Note where the cog is located. Pry out the old cog and insert the new one. Note that it's located into this hole. Test it to ensure it works. And then refit the motor and the old screws. Repeat all of the previous instructions in reverse to put the vehicle back together. Thank you for watching this X8R video. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to contact us on the email address or the telephone number on the screen. Nope. Done. Really? Can we stop beeping? Oh, I need the calipers. I really want one of these donuts though. Maybe that's good.